Welcome into the era of AI. Hello and welcome. In this video, I'm going to introduce you to a hack between Leonardo Phoenix and Canva Magic Studio. Now, first of all, I'm going to ask Leonardo Phoenix to generate a Pinterest pin. So I'm going to go ahead and copy a prompt. In terms of the preset here in Leonardo, I'm going to switch to Leonardo Phoenix. Then when it comes to the size, I'm going to go here and switch to a size which is Pinterest friendly 2 by 3 inches. And that's pretty much it. So after I've done this, let me scroll to the top. I'm going to remove the character reference here. I'm just going to double click and paste this particular pin. Now, in the meantime, it's going to go and create it. But I want you to go to Canva and actually go to, instead of custom size, just search for or use the keyword Pinterest. And once you actually search for Pinterest, go for 1000 by 1500. And this is going to open up this particular pin. Now, after the pin is generated, we will show you that you can actually, with Canva, if you like a pin and you just want to edit a couple of things about it, because sometimes Leonardo Phoenix will generate pins with text that has mistakes, or with text with mistakes. So you want to make sure sometimes you might like a design even though it has mistakes. But before I discovered Canva Magic Studio, I struggled because I had to just keep generating more and more and more designs. Now here, as you can see, these are pretty good. Doesn't have any mistakes, right? But sometimes they have mistakes in them, right? Sometimes they have mistakes in them. And so you want to edit them. Now in this case, surprisingly, nothing has any mistake. But if you want, let me show you. So if I click to download this, inside of Canva Magic Studio, I can drag and drop anything into Canva Magic Studio. So I can actually drag and drop this right here. And I'm going to set the image to the background. So let me just right click, set image as background. Next is if I actually edit the image right here, we have a lot of options. And one of them is to grab text out of this design. So I'm going to click on grab text. And basically right here, this allows me to grab text. So that's one of the best things about Leonardo or about Canva Magic Studio is that it allows you to grab text. You can use it to grab an object, right, by using the magic grab tool. You can use the magic eraser to erase something. Of course, these are just pro features. And so if I click edit image, let me show them again. So you have the magic grab, magic eraser, magic edit, magic expand. All of these are features. And of course, if you want to make this bigger, you can make it bigger. Except for you'll just have to make sure that when it comes to the line height that they're a bit closer. And you can see that now it's bigger. And so we managed to extract it from design and make it a text of its own, a layer. And similarly, you can do other things such as extracting anything from the image with the use of the magic grab tool. So I can use it to, for example, select this element, grab it, and I can actually grab it out of the picture. So you can grab it out of the picture, you can make it bigger, you can remove it, right? So you can do anything. Right? It's working on grabbing it, and you can see that now it's not part of the picture anymore. It's a layer of its own, and you can make it bigger if you'd like. Put it back here, make it bigger, or, you know, something like this. So you can do anything you want. You can even make it smaller. You can even delete it if you want to delete it. It's up to you. So hoping you've enjoyed this update. So right now, unleash the power of creating as many pins as possible with this strategy, because you can. And so hopefully you've enjoyed it. Wishing you the best as always. Passive Income Gen Z signing out.